Hey everyone, how we doing? My name is Tim Pongros and this is Focus on Detailing. Today's video is going to be one of hopefully many more to come dedicated to cleaning up this filthy Mazda Bravo ute. This video is going to be all about deep cleaning the seats. This ute is filthy inside and out, and over time more videos will be going up detailing certain parts of it, whether that be working on the engine, the paint, the headlights, the wheels, or like today, the seats. Hopefully it's going to be answering a few of those video recommendations that I've been getting. What to expect from this video? Well, the seats will be going from this to this, and the byproduct will be this. I'm going to delve into the details when I'm actually doing the test, so let's just get right into it.
The very first thing that needs to be done is to remove all mats and loose mess. Every surface had to be vacuumed and wiped down with an all-purpose cleaner. If your car is looking anything like this one, you can guarantee your new best friend is going to be that all-purpose cleaner. This is going to get quite a workout over many parts of this car, both inside and out. Without even meaning to, I can also fit a test video of Bowden's own orange agent in this video. Dirty, grimy armrest, but after a spray, brush and wipe, it's back to looking immaculate. Now when it comes to the seats, which is what this video is all about, it's a good idea before getting too excited with the shampooing to thoroughly vacuum the seats, paying close attention to the crevices and removing fur. A rubber glove is a good way to help gather up that fur. Also a good idea to remove the headrest so there's no spots where mess can be hiding. What I'll be using to deep clean the seat is a concentrated shampoo solution mixed with just a hint of that same all-purpose cleaner in with some warm water. The amount you use will likely change depending on how dirty your interior is. The products will likely tell you what to put in anyway, but in my case I was using quite a lot of both. I don't really go all out accurate as long as I'm getting the results that I desire. The machine that I'm using is a Bissell spot cleaner along with a brush and a microfiber towel. You'll soon see why it's a good idea to have that towel handy. So now that the seats have been vacuumed, I give them a good spray with the solution. It's good to start from the top and work your way down. The spray will likely hit places where it shouldn't, but thanks to that towel you can simply wipe up any overspray. Because this seat is just so dirty, this side mainly, I worked in sections so I could really give it a thorough cleaning. Though the Bissell does have a brush already, it's nowhere near as good as having a separate one. This is a soft-ish brush, so it's not going to be damaging any of the fabrics, but still will be great to agitate and clean the surface. No real crazy technique with the brush, just work it around the surface, making sure to get every spot. Once that was done, I'd slowly go over the seat, drawing out what looked like an iced coffee. It's important to not go crazy as well with the water, as no one wants to be sitting down on a wet seat. This is usually why I go for the driver's seat first, and in fact this is one of the first jobs that I tackle, as I want to make sure that the seat isn't drenched when the customer comes to collect their car. You'll likely never get out the same amount of water that you put in, so just keep that in mind and make sure you remove as much as you can. I was pretty happy with what was coming out of the seat, but wanted to get a better idea of what it was looking like before and after. So bring out the tape for a side-by-side test.
They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in.
This technique of using a machine well and truly trumps doing it by hand, and I'd know because I was doing it for quite a while. You spend around $200 on a machine like this, and one job later, or well depending on how much you actually charge, you'll likely have it paid for. Nothing really changes when you're doing the carpet or the mats of the car. Mats sometimes need a little bit more work but are easier to work with. The main benefits from shampooing your car would obviously be the deep cleaning factor, in turn removing odours, stain, embedded dirt and revitalising fabric. It's a job that's commonly requested, and having a decent machine makes a big difference. Even if you're not in business, you'll never get a job done as good as if you're doing it by hand. You can see just what is hiding within this car. It's gross and you wouldn't really know until you work over it like this. Once the whole car was completed, it was still a little damp. That usually can't be helped, but it was smelling and looking a whole lot better. Just so you know exactly what was getting sucked out, this was only some of what was in there. Once it is dry, sometimes some mess can settle back on the seats if you've got the doors open all the time if you're still cleaning the car. No real worry, just run over it again with the vacuum and it'll be looking A1. So that's it for this video. Pretty straightforward, but it's always a worthwhile and satisfying job. Seeing the interior going from gross to clean and watching exactly what you're getting out. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to check out some of my other uploads. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you all later.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.